What's up, beautiful people? So I am going to be doing my 6-year-old daughter's locks. She's been locked for about 2 years now. I started her hair with C parts and 2-strand twists. You can see they're still slightly twisted at the bottom, but they are slowly turning into full locks. I've already washed her hair, so I am just going through separating her hair at the roots if I need to, and then using a soft bristled brush to remove any surface lint. And then I go in with a little harder brush that I usually use for my edges to go and remove that stubborn dirt or any lint that I may have missed. Next, I'm going to follow up with a product from my hair care line. This is part of the Moroccan Rose and Aloe collection. This is a 2-in-1 product, perfect for when you get out of the shower and your hair is already wet. You can use as a leave-in conditioner. And then I am following up with the lock method. You know, you got to use the hydration first and then the oil. This is our Moroccan Rose and Aloe Moisture Sealing Growth Oil. So after that, I must give her scalp a good massage, and then I go in with some gel, whatever gel I'm using at that time. I am using an aloe vera gel at this time, and I'm going to just use my fingers to separate her hair. I learned over the years not to use a comb to define those parts, because by pulling out pieces of hair and trying to get the perfect part, sometimes that will create a lot of loose hair. So I've done really good job at not pulling, trying to define those parts too much. So now I can grab and go without any loose hairs. All of her hair grows into her locks, and so all I have to do is just grab and go. It may not be the perfect crispiest parting, but how I style her hair, which is in usually a 2-strand twist anyway, it really works. So yeah. Also, by the way, if you notice, I am twisting her locks to the left. From just research and observation, I realized that twisting to the left will give you a thicker lock over time. At least that's what I've noticed. And now I'm doing a 2-strand twist. Of course, whichever way that you twist the lock, you have to twist a 2-strand twist the opposite way. So it does feel a little bit weird that I'm twisting left over right, because I usually twist her hair to the left, but I kind of get used to it over time, because now all of our hair is twisted to the left. Super easy. And you guys, she wanted, for her back to school style, she wanted some beads, and she wanted a little pop of color. So I'm using one bead at the end to give her some decoration, but also to help hold her hair down as well. And then I'm going in with this string. She chose the color, and I'm going to just wrap the string all the way to the bottom to give her a little flare, a little pop. It's like a gradient pink. You can't see it on this one because most of the top is white, but then at the bottom it does get pinker. Then I wrap it back up as far as I can go, and then I just tie it in a knot. So by the time I get to the top, her hair has kind of dried out. I like to retwist on wet hair, so I am going through right now and just shaping her locks. Her locks are still not completely locked, and so I'm going and palm rolling that, and here are the final results. I put 2 beads, or a little bit more beads, in the front, so you can see from the front she has 2 that are longer. In the back she has her little pop of color and her beads, and this is her back to school style. You guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for her brother's locks, and I will be coming with my lock update and my husband's, I think, 12-year lock update. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.